Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lenny, and today I'm going to introduce you to an incredible AI tool that allows you to turn your creative ideas into fully realized songs with cutting-edge AI music generation technology. So you're able to generate unlimited original music across any genre, style, or mood. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're a content creator, you're a YouTuber, you need background music for your videos, or you're a musician, or you're someone who just loves to sing, or someone who just loves music in general, then this tool is for you. So I'm going to show you the ins and outs, how to use this tool. And the good news about this is that that's a free version you could use as well. So yeah, let's just get started. And as usual, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then I would encourage you to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that you never miss an update. So now let's get started. So the first step is I may sound like a broken record right now, but I usually say that it's always good to sign in or sign up for the service, just because sometimes you may lose your work. The good thing about this is that you can sign up through your Gmail account, so you don't have to struggle with trying to remember your password. Or you could just put in your email here and they're going to send you a magic link. So I'm just going to sign up with Google like I always do. And then once you sign up and once sign up is complete, it would bring you to this dashboard here. Essentially, what you just have to do is there are some free tools here as well. If you needed a tool to help you generate lyrics for your music video, then you'll be able to use the lyrics generator tool. I believe this is free, so you don't really need to pay for it. Even if you run out of credits to generate the entire music, you'll be able to generate the lyrics, okay? So you get unique and creative song lyrics instantly with AI assistance. And we may try that, but I first want us to try creating a music video. The other feature here is the vocal remover. So for instance, if you hear a song on YouTube, you really love it, maybe you love the instrumentals behind the song, then you'll be able to leverage this feature in here. You paste in your URL and then it would be able to extract the voice and then just leave the background music playing. So you have an idea, if you just want the instrumentals behind or the background music and you really don't want the voice, then you can just take out the voice and you can just separate them in that way. But for today's tutorial, I just want to focus on how you can create music. So there are different modes. So you can decide to turn on the experts mode. You can basically put in your lyrics. So this is where you could basically use the lyrics generator to generate the lyrics you want. You can give it your concept and it will generate the lyrics you want, and then you type it in here, and then in terms of style, you can enter your own musical style here. If it's Afrobeat, whatever style it is, you can enter here. I really love Afrobeat, guys. And then you can enter the name of the song, and in terms of the vocal type, whether it's male or female, you can just select one, or you can just let it surprise you. When you sign up, you have 8 credits remaining, so I think that's substantial to at least try out the service and see if you love it, right? If you love it, then you can basically go ahead and pay for it. So I'm gonna come in here. I'm just gonna click on random because really I don't have any lyrics. I could have just come here, generated the lyrics. I really don't want the video to be too long, so I'm just gonna click on random. Once you click on random, you're gonna get about 0 to 3,000 characters of of lyrics that you can use for your music. Yeah, I think I like this already. So this is jazz. I mean, you'll be able to if you want it to be let's say Afrobeat, you can change it to Afrobeat as well, and then you can enter the song name if you want to change it. It's really up to you. And then you click on create. So once you click on create, it does take a while. It says wait for about 5 minutes, but I think it does take less than 5 minutes to generate. So while waiting, I'll just go to the lyrics generator to see what's up. So yeah, so you can enter your idea. I can say immigrant leaving home to search for greener pastures abroad. And let's see. Yeah, that was so random. So generate lyrics. Yeah, you can select the genre, like I said. the type of genre you want from the list, and you can select the mood, whether you want it to be peaceful. I just kept it as random. And the language, they have a number of languages here that they support: the verse, chorus, bridge. Like, you can really select exactly what you want. So this is it. Like, it's generated like 2 verses for me, which is good. And I mean, it's actually really related to like the theme I put up there, so it's really cool. So if you have your lyrics ready, you can just copy it and then you take it back to the create music tab. So yeah, so you can do that. To be honest, I just skipped that part. All right, so still waiting for this to generate, so just give us some time, and then we can try it out afterwards. Okay, so yeah, so this has been generated, and music has been generated for us. So what I'm gonna do, this is the lyrics from the music. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm just gonna click on back to yesterday. I'm gonna click on the music and I'm gonna play it out loud so that you can hear it.
In the twilight glow of evening, where the shadows dance with dreams, I find myself in memories, in the laughter and the screams, pictures painted in the moonlight, every moment.
Oh my, this is really good. I could just end up sleeping with this song. I really love it. I love the voice. You know, I'm not like an expert when it comes to instrumentals, though I don't know if these instrumentals actually like blend, but for me this music slaps. Okay, it slaps. I love it. So yeah, like I said, content creator, and what you can do is that's how you download this music. You could basically come to the vocal removal tab. I think for that you need to upgrade, and then if you just wanted the instrumentals behind the music, then you could just use the vocal remover, and it'll just take away the voice, and then you just have like the instrumentals behind the music. But yeah, like, I love it, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and let me know if there's any AI tool that you'd want me to do like a tutorial on for you as well. I'll gladly like do it for you. Yeah, but I already did a tutorial, another tutorial on an AI music generator tool. I'm gonna leave that on the screen as well so that you can go check it out. That tool also slaps. Okay, but yeah, for now, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.